species every day. While we are still battling to adapt to the new kinds, to fight the harmful ones, or use the ones that are helpful, there are more and more coming our way. Estimation is that there are 8.7 million species of living organisms on Earth. Till now, taxonomy is a subject which was developed by Linnaeus in the 18th century to discover, name, understand, and classify these very species. Over the years, taxonomists developed efficient mechanisms to accommodate the discovery of more and more species. But does this study hold any significance other than easing the general study and classification of species? Is this study only relevant to natural history museums and universities? Is taxonomy a subject that we actually need to study in the 21st century, where subjects like economy, computer science, medicine seem to actually have a direct impact on you and me? So first, let me tell you about an incident that occurred in 1996. A deadly fungus was discovered in wheat crops in some part of the USA. This fungus, Tilletia indica, was said to be the reason behind the disease carnal bun. This microscopic fungus had a huge impact. Movement of wheat crops from the southeastern United States was banned. Wheat export from the US was rejected. USA's billion-dollar wheat export market was threatened. But taxonomists saved the agricultural disaster from actually getting worse. Taxonomic expertise concluded that the blackening of wheat crops was because of a different fungus. That is, a fungus from a completely different species. The species which was not at all poisonous. Yes, it was taxonomical expertise which averted a major $500 billion economic crisis in the world's most stable economies. Let me tell you about this other case of 2 kidney failures in the United Kingdom in 1999, which resulted from the use of a Chinese herb called Aristolochia manchuriensis, prescribed by practitioners of Chinese herbal medicine. Now, plant taxonomists examine the medication given in the prescription using gross morphological characteristics, that is, characteristics that are visible to the naked eye. Now, because of the establishment of scientific names by then, they were able to identify the presence of this very Aristolochia manchuriensis. This particular herb was further examined, and it was observed that it contained a poisonous material called aristolochic acid. The UK Department of Health banned the manufacture, import, sale or supply of any unlicensed medicine in the United Kingdom which contained herbs in the Aristolochia. So, taxonomical expertise here helped the government improve the healthcare department and deter any similar fatalities in the future. Do you see the impact taxonomy has on a large scale? Did you ever imagine that taxonomy can change the economy of a country, that it leads to such major improvements in the healthcare department? Taxonomy is crucial, yet unknown service behind sectors ranging from food security to developing economy.